Beautiful. Hot. That is so, so good. Come with me because we're about to make the best side dish that's quick, easy, and we're using convenience items to make it. We're making rice pilaf. Let's get started. This is a quick and easy side dish that you can make to go with any protein that you want. It's my version of a rice pilaf, and again, when I tell you it's quick and easy, I mean it. So in my pot, I have a half a stick of melted butter, and to that I want to add in a cup of pinoli nuts, and I just want to start toasting them in the butter. Okay, so once our pinoli nuts are starting to get nice and toasted, I want to add in rice mixture. I am using this, that's right. There's nothing wrong with this, especially on a night where you don't want to cook. It's quick, it's simple, it's convenient, it just needs a little love. So I'm using 2 boxes of the chicken rice-A-Roni, and I'm just gonna toast the rice, the pasta, and the nuts together in the melted butter for just about 2 minutes, or until it starts to turn golden brown. As we start to get the golden brown color on the nuts and the rice, I just want to make a little well in the middle, because I remember I told you this needs a little love. The packets that it comes with is just basically chicken bouillon and parsley mixed together. So I want to bloom those spices in the butter and oil first, just to develop the flavor and deepen the flavor. To that, I'm going to add a little bit of onion powder and a little bit of garlic powder, just a little bit of black pepper, and some salt, but not too much salt because the chicken bouillon that they use in those packets are very salty. And now we're just going to bloom those spices and toast them up with the pinolis and the rice and pasta. Okay, now that our herbs and spices have bloomed and our nuts and rice and pasta is nice and golden brown, I'm going to add in 5 cups of water. Give that just a quick stir around the pan or two, not much, because if you start stirring crazy rice, it develops the gluten in there and it becomes very starchy and mushy. That's not what we're looking for. So as soon as this comes to a boil, I'm going to pop a lid on it. I'm going to simmer it for 20 minutes and then we're going to serve our dinner. Okay, so our rice pilaf is done. Doesn't it look beautiful? Now I'm just going to fluff it up with a fork just to separate all the grains and make sure all the pinoli nuts are mixed in. Oh, that looks gorgeous. Okay, let's give it a taste. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. See, you can use convenience ingredients to make a wonderful dish. Hot. That is so, so good. I told you earlier, let's use convenience items, but let's give them a little love. That's all they need. Just a little zhuzhing up. This is a fabulous side dish, and it's going to go perfectly with my sheet pan dinner that's in the video before this. If you want the recipe for my rice pilaf, just comment the word recipe down below, and I'll be sure to send it to your DM. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. Bye.